Hello, this is Neil Good with the Good Law Group. Today I'm going to be talking about two different disabilities, CSF leaks and TBIs. So the first one I'm going to talk about is CSF leaks. So CFS stands for cerebral spinal fluid leak. These come in two forms. One of them is actually in your head or your cranial area, and the other one is in your spinal cord. There is no listing for CSF leaks. The majority of the cases I see are CSF leaks in your spinal cord. Now, these are leaks that are ongoing and they don't get repaired with a blood patch. So typically they try to repair these with a blood patch, and if that doesn't work and it keeps leaking, it's a very serious injury or disability, and it's very limited. You're almost bedridden all the time because you feel sick and have headaches, and you can't really stand up. Most of my clients who tell me they have these, they spend most of their day laying in bed. There is no listing for this. Now, the other disability I want to talk about today are traumatic brain injuries, or TBIs. So there is a listing for this, but there's a very large gamut of traumatic brain injuries. So the listing is the most severe type of traumatic brain injury, and that requires one of the following: either disorganization of motor function in your upper or lower extremities. And in your upper extremities, it's basically not being able to use your arms. And in your lower extremities, it's not being able to stand up from a sitting position or balance. So if you're requiring the use of a walker. The other way to prove this disability for Social Security under the listing, which is listing 11.18, is to show you have a marked limitation in any one of these four areas: understanding, remembering, and applying information. Interacting with others is the second one. The third one is concentration, persistence, and pace. And the fourth one is adapting and managing oneself. And throughout this listing, all of these requirements must be met for at least 3 months. So with traumatic brain injuries, you see all kinds of other disabilities though. So a good way to win a TBI case is with a neuropsychological evaluation, because that will literally say whether you have a mild limitation, a marked limitation, and that's what Social Security is looking for. Otherwise, it's sort of up in the air and a lot left up to the judge, and you just don't want to do that. I hope this has been helpful today. Thank you for listening. The information for my firm is provided below. If you have any questions, feel free to call us.